guys, and welcome back to Black is Golden. Today I am back, and as you guys can see, I have a special guest with me, so I'll let her introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Whitney.
And today we will be making pizza from scratch. So in all honesty, this is my first time making dough from scratch, but I've made pizza before. I'm not sure about Whitney.
For the third time.
Okay. So we should be good then. We should be good. So we're gonna take you guys through the process with us. So keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're a loyal supporter, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. Let's go.
So first we're gonna start with 2 cups of flour.
2.5.
Well, 2 1/3.
Okay, people, we're not chefs, so our measurements may be off, but it works for us. If it comes out good, then you're gonna see the end product. So now we're going to add yeast to warm water. Instead of us waiting a whole hour for the dough to rise, we're gonna wait like a half an hour or less. But as you guys can see, Whitney is the expert on making dough from scratch, so I am watching and learning for this part, and then you guys gonna see when it's time to knead and when it's time to actually put the pizza together in terms of sauce and toppings and in the oven.
So the ingredients, the recipe that I use in, it calls for 1.5 tablespoons sugar. So there's half. That is 1. It also calls for 2 tablespoons olive oil.
So chefing it up right now.
And a pinch of salt.
So if you're from the Caribbean, you know we don't really measure things. Whitney's trying to be so professional for this video, but we just season and let the ancestors guide us, you know? Hopefully this turned out good.
Some parsley.
Cause lad, you know we don't be measuring things that much, you know?
Yeah, literally just throw it to your ancestors say so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So right now we're basically just mixing the ingredients that we have in the bowl together. Make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, so now that that is done, we're going to add the yeast and the warm water. And we're adding it accordingly. This takes a lot of mixing. As you guys can tell, I'm still mixing. Since I will look like it does look like it's coming in, you know. It's coming guys, it's coming. The process right now, too spiffy, you know, but it's coming. It's coming. Have a little faith guys, it's coming. Okay. So now we're just flouring the surface so that we can transfer the dough to it and actually start the kneading process fully. So right now, as you guys can see in the background, Whitney is kneading the dough, and then we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes so it can rise, and then we're gonna get to actual making the full pizza, putting on the toppings and baking.
Okay, this is what the dough looks like. So
we go work in a pizza shop now. Check us. We are take orders.
So what I just normally do is that I will put it in an oil bowl so that when it rises, it will be easier to take out of the bowl. So this is what it looks like in the bowl. So what I would normally do is that I will put a towel over it, and before we started recording, what I did is I turned on the oven and then for like about 5 minutes, and then I turn it off so the oven will be warm. So now we're gonna put it in the oven because we need a warm spot so it will rise faster.
Chef Whitney with the tips. Right now, we're basically just spreading it out on the pan. And this is how it looks now that we spread it out on the pan. And we are going to add our sauce. So now we have our sauce and our dough and our pizza crust. We're gonna add cheese. I don't know why, but 2 bags of cheese, but then we both like cheese. Oh, the cheese look like your fish. Gotta be salty. And Whitney's adding corn because we both like corn and we love pineapple. So we're adding a lot of things that we love onto this pizza. A lot of people think that pineapple doesn't go on pizza. We disagree. Corn may not go on pizza for you guys, but we disagree. Now we're going to add pepperoni. Adding pepperoni and pineapple at the same time, and yes, it may be a lot because this is one of those pizzas where you want to have everything evenly proportioned. So every slice you take, you get corn, cheese. Well, of course you're gonna get cheese. Of course you're gonna get corn, you're gonna get cheese, you're gonna get pepperoni and pineapple. Okay, go ahead, cheese it up. I gotta not cheese it up. We're adding finishing touches. We're adding some more cheese as usual. Cheese makes it taste better. Not really, we just want cheese. Okay guys, so we're gonna zoom in a bit here. This is how it looks. You can see the sauce, the cheese, the pepperoni, the pineapple, the corn. Ooh. So now we're gonna put this into the oven. Let's go. And we're off. So now we're about to take the pizza out of the oven and we are going to show you guys how it looks. We're going to cut it and we're going to do a taste test on camera for you guys to see. How this. Taste the pizza. It's very hot, very ooh, too hot. Wait, I can't do this. I can't do it. I cannot do it. Kiki and Whitney Pizza, we are coming soon. I'm really excited. Let me get food. It's so hot but so good. So as you guys can see, that was our video with us making pizza. And I'm going to say it was a lengthy process, but it was very rewarding because our pizza came out awesome. We soon open up a pizzeria. You can order pizzas. We'll deliver.
She'll deliver. I'll be the cook.
Hey, I'm gonna make it so that I can't cook.
So she could cook, guys. She could cook. Trust me, she could cook. It could cook.
Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you would like more cooking videos like this, let us know in the comment section below.
And if you want to see me again, comment and say you want to see me again, okay?
Yeah, she want to be up in the video then. She want to be up in the video then, you know. Comment if you want to see with me again. Comment if you want to see with me again. But anyways, I really wish we could have shared this pizza with you guys because it's awesome, but you can virtually taste it. Thank you guys so much for watching. The pizza is so good that Whitney cannot just wait for me to do the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next something drop. Stop laugh. That's it. Let's go. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Wow.